Hello everybody, welcome back. I've been missing for a few days as I just get straight to it here as I had a sinus surgery. My nose has been blocked for some time. If you have been watching my videos, you would be able to tell that my nose has been blocked, and so I felt that something needed to be done to it, and so eventually, I went for sinus surgery. I'm still recovering from it. There's a lot of crust inside my nose, inside my sinus, and I cannot blow my nose, and it's very frustrating. But hey, I can breathe much better now. The doctor has already opened up a very nice opening, and I can feel the air coming in. It's just that I can't blow my nose. Very unfortunate, but anyway, hopefully things are getting better from now. My voice is still crappy, but anyway, let's take a quick look at what's been happening in the markets. Everything has been down for the past 7 days. Everything's down double digits. Down. Luna is down 30%. Very bad. Everything is just down. Everything is double digit down for the past 7 days. Except Frax. But Frax is a stable coin. It's winter. It actually is winter. It has been winter for some time. We actually anticipated. If you go to my channel, and the pin tweet was actually a video that I made in December, right? Way back in December, the 3rd of December, 2 months ago, where we were predicting that potentially we could see BTC correct sharply, and so we are correcting sharply right now. The only question is, how much lower are we going to go? Is this the end, or is there more downside? We shall find out week after week, right? As we go along, we'll take things one step at a time. So today we're going to do the top 10 from Polkadot, number 10, up to BTC, and number 1. All right, so let's get straight into it. Polkadot against BTC. Ooh, we've already hit target number 1. We've had 2 targets, and yeah, target number 1 has been hit. Woohoo! Hee. So there you go. Target 1 is a hit. We still have target 2, and we're still feeling pretty good about hitting target number 2 at this point of time. This looks to me like an A, B, C kind of chart pattern. Could we get a 5-wave move down? Yeah, sure, of course. No guarantees that we're going to reverse from here. And if you were to zoom in, you will see that this is not what I would consider as a bullish reversal. If anything, if we were to zoom into the smaller time frames, you'll be able to tell that this is can you see this? It's a descending triangle, and so more likely than not, we should be continuing lower for Polkadot against BTC. Could we see some sort of a rally first before we head lower? Of course, for sure. But this is a descending triangle, and descending triangles are bearish continuation chart patterns. It's just that, I suspect there could be some whale shenanigans. We could still head up towards the skinny pink line first, bounce off of it, come back down, form maybe some other sort of a bearish continuation chart pattern, maybe a head and shoulders, before we head towards our target at 4440, right? 0.0004440. So yep, more downside is still to be expected for Polkadot against BTC, so far so good for Polkadot. It's moving as we are expecting. The best case scenario for Polkadot is that we hit both targets, and then we have some sort of a sharp rally, right? A strong rally back towards the resistance line, and this will complete 2 mountains. Woo-hoo-hoo. And after that, this could be a B, C, D, E kind of a chart pattern completion, and after that, Polkadot goes towards the moon, because Polkadot has been underperforming, in my opinion. The other coins, like let's say for example Solana or Luna, they have been mooning, but Polkadot has been left behind. So I suspect that Polkadot might have a lot of catching up to do, but of course we'll take things one step at a time, right? We could also get bearish chart patterns for DOT against BTC, in the sense that this could be mountain 1, mountain 2, we could still get mountain number 3, and this whole thing could be a very big descending triangle, and we could still head lower, right? I mean, of course we are hopeful, but we'll take things one step at a time, right? DOT against USDT. Where are we? Yep, not good. This is not good. If we were to hit target number 2 for DOT BTC, DOT against USDT will very likely hit lower as well, right? And this will be the completion of potentially, doesn't mean it's going to happen, but potentially a left shoulder, hit, right shoulder, pump. we could hit much lower as well. So yeah, it'd be awful, you know, if we bounce at the support. If we don't bounce at the support, and if we just break through, then we are not gonna get a head and shoulders, right? So this is just going to be something else, which is much better. I would prefer it this way if Polkadot were to switch bullish, right? Not to bounce here. If we were to bounce here, that would be bad. But yep, more downside is still to be expected for DOT against USDT. I just don't think that Polkadot is done going down yet. I still think there's a little bit more to go. The only question is, will we see a rally first before heading lower, or will we just start heading lower? That's the question. So yeah, I just don't think it's time to be opening any shots at this point of time. We are moving to oversold territory, so it's a bit tricky to be opening shots when things are quite oversold. So yep, if there is a high quality bearish chart pattern, obviously we'll trade it, but we don't see it yet. So be careful about going to a trade too soon for Polkadot.